Assalamualaikum and good day for our lecturer Dr. Yusrita and friends. My name is Siti Nurhamidah Hidayah binti Abdul Jalil. My metric number is 265189. Today, we would like to present formative evaluation about the mobile application Jom Mengenal Buah dan Sayuran dalam Bahasa Arab. Technology may generate new shape and method of learning. As we know, as portable devices such as computer and smartphone become more commonly used in whole life in that day, such as in education or learning. So, the advantages of this e-learning application is that it's easy to use by students because most of the menu and instruction are available on user-friendly mobile phone. Moreover, since this learning is simple to understand, it aids students in not feeling embarrassed while studying and it also allows them to be more competitive when learning. Regarding to our project, the application was developed is to make it easier for these kids or children to learn the basic of Arabic about fruits and vegetables. So, the purpose of formative evaluation is to identify deficiencies based on the content and interface of our application as quickly as possible from the expertise so that appropriate intervention can be made to improve application design. Next is method and technique. We use expert review as a method and the technique for expert review is an expert interview. Expert review is involving content expert are people who are truly familiar with skill and content that training must impart. The expert selected is based on the experience of the expert knowledge and skill. Online interview will meet with the three experts and provide some different questions will prepare for expert to interview season. In this evaluation season, the interviewer will show the application for online season and then ask expert for the interface and content review with comments. The data collected and checked for completeness and analyzed to obtain useful information. Next is instrument. Among the questions we ask include in terms of interface, design, functionality, content, and others. Furthermore, for other questions we ask the expert is to answer all the questions we want to know and make an analysis for this product. This instrument, we use semi-structured and open-ended questions for interview. This is because using semi-structured informal questions makes us more comfortable to conduct interview season with experts. In addition, for open-ended question, it is easier for us to make discussion based on the question asked to expert. Open-ended this question as well, the question will usually be related to the answer given yearly. So, this is a question that we ask during the interview. For the procedure, there are three stages. First, preparation and planning. The method chosen is expert review by using the interview technique, which provide a product to be shown to the expert. Second, identify and contact expert. Make a research and identify expert for product design and content in terms of education background, experience and skill is important. After find it, we contact them over the WhatsApp to get permission to make the interview. Third, this step takes 2 days to complete the online interview with the three experts. Expert A on 11 April 2021 and another expert on 12 April 2021. And all it via Google Meet and took 30 minutes for each expert. Lastly, prepare the expert for the review and explain the process. Fourth is analyze and interpretation of data. The process of assigning meaning to the collected information and determine the conclusion, significance, and implication of the finding. And lastly, preparation of the report. Summarize the expert comment and reject comments that would lead to pointless or impossible revision.
My name is Nazifa Zafira binti Abdul Halim, 265139. Okay, for the participant, we selected contestants of those who specialize in the field of interface, design, and content. 3 experts that we choose based on skill and experience expert for interview session, and each of them have more than 5 years experience. There is 1 teacher from Pasti Asuhan Tunai Islam Pasti Darussalam Selangor as a content expert. Next, there are 2 lecturers from the School of Multimedia Technology and Communication SMTC. Based on finding and result formative evaluation, we got 3 experts, A, B, and C, and all of them are female. Expert A and B is a lecturer, while expert C is a teacher. Besides, all of them have experience and skill more than 5 years, which the skill and educational experience of these 3 experts can help to get comments and ideas for improvement to complete our mobile application. We separate into 2 parts, which are for interface and content. Based on interview session, expert A and B as an interface expert and expert C as content expert, where we got some positive feedback and some of for improvement. For the positive feedback, they agree that this application is a very good as it is suitable for children aged 4 to 6 years and interesting to learn basic Arabic. Font that we use is also suitable to help children to read clearly. The image included in this app are also interesting for kids. Expert A and C also likes the music background. And lastly, for the content is suitable for preschool students and the syllabus included is the syllabus they study. Next, we also get the recommendation for us to improve this application. Expert A said that we need to pop up username, Arabic font need to be enlarged, fruits and vegetables need to zoom closer, and use different color for true and false answer or just pop up wish emoji. Next, number of question score for the game. While expert B want to background music match with appropriate music or the sound of the music should be slowed down. Besides, fruit and vegetable can be more 3D and or clickable. Then minimalist design for main page, voiceover for pronunciation need to be amplified again, and sound for wrong answer needs to be changed. Last but not least, expert C just want us to input voiceover for its instruction in Malay and Arabic language, and it also supported by recommendation from expert A. So, this is application development design before and after evaluation. The information gathered from these three experts, suggestion for improvement will be used as a guide and help in producing a satisfactory learning application for children aged 4 to 6 years. We will try to apply the principle of multimedia and we will make an observation and more research on the use of interface. However, some of the suggestions will not be implemented in our application and we will take the suggestions that are relevant to our goals. In conclusion, formative evaluation is to improve our application that meet our objective. Three experts help us to get better idea in improving the application. Among the comments given include in terms of design, interface, functionality, content, whether the syllabus used in the application. So we have to make an improvement to our application so that we can successfully finish our final product. Based on the comment and feedback from our expertise, we will analyze what should we use and suitable for our application and to make it more interesting and easier for kids to learn about food and vegetables. That's all from us. Thank you.